Ready to ditch the generic Roblox threads and rock a personalized plaid that screams you. First, fire up Roblox Studio and grab a shirt template. You can find these easily online or in the Roblox Developer Hub. This is our blank canvas. Import the template as a decal into Roblox Studio. This is how we'll get our design onto the shirt. Now, switch over to your favorite image editing software like Photoshop, GIMP, or even a free online editor. This is where the plaid magic happens. Time to design your plaid. Start with a base color, then add vertical and horizontal lines of varying thickness and color to create that classic plaid look. Experiment with different color combinations to make it truly unique. Make sure your plaid pattern is tileable and seamless. This means the edges of your design should match up perfectly when repeated, avoiding any awkward lines on your shirt. Once you're happy with your plaid masterpiece, export it as a PNG or JPG file. Back in Roblox Studio, upload your plaid design as a decal. Now, apply that decal to your shirt template. Adjust the size and position to ensure the plaid looks just right. And there you have it, a custom plaid shirt, ready to be worn and admired. Don't forget to name and save your shirt, and then upload it to Roblox. Now go forth and create a wardrobe full of awesome plaid shirts. Let your creativity shine and express your unique style on Roblox. Subscribe for more Roblox dev tutorials.